I do not chase the shifting tide. I let the river choose the bend, while others carve the easy line. I walk the spine that doesn't bend. My pockets carry stones, not gold, each one a truth I did not sell. A story song in linen folds that silence sometimes tells too well. I climb the path no crowd will take. The stones are sharp, the air is clear. I trade applause for quiet wake and stitch my name in what won't smear. A tree will lean into the storm, but never begs the wind to stay. So I stand rooted, not for show, but for the light that knows my way. They built their ladders out of smoke, I made a